What's up guys and welcome back to Techplant. Today I'm testing the age-old myth that roots need darkness to grow faster. So let's check it out.
Alright, like in every Techplant experiment video, we need our sacrificial pothos plant. With this one we're changing it up with the varieties and we are doing some neon pothos. I know a lot of you get angry that I always use pothos, but I don't have many plants where I can produce like 10 nodes easily to do experiments on, because I can't just do a single node each, because that wouldn't be a really good experiment. And to get this one going, I'm going to chop these all up into individual nodes. Usually you can find the node or the new growth spot right where the leaf connects to the vine, so just cut about an inch on either side of that and you should be good. For this one I'm going to do 5 plants for each pot of our test. And if you didn't notice from the title, this is going to be a light versus dark, but not for the leaves. This one will be specifically light versus dark for the roots. There's a lot of people who have told me that things work a lot better if the roots aren't receiving light, and there's actually people who have asked as well. So we're going to find out whether or not it really matters. So I'm going to use clear glass jars, and then just to make one dark, I'm going to wrap foil around it because it will block the light out 100%. And along the top, I'm trying to jam as much foil as I can in there to prevent light from getting inside from the top. So I'm really trying to close it up the best I can. Just to prove to you that I'm blocking out most of the light, I did poke a small hole in the bottom so we can look up inside, and it is awfully dark in that jar. Yes, there is a little bit of light leaking in, but not enough to sway this experiment because it's going to be way more extreme on the very clear jar with no light obstruction. So I think that we're going to consider this pretty darn dark compared to our light jar. Now, you can see me putting some plastic wrap around the top. The real reason for this is because I'm blocking out a lot of the airflow of the one with the foil, and so I want to make sure this experiment is light and not airflow. If I leave it open on top, that means that there's a lot of air that can go into the water, and we might get different results because of that. So I'm really trying to isolate this down to just dark versus light, so that's why I'm trying to mimic with the plastic what I'm doing with the foil, just so we can minimize airflow on both jars and focus solely on the light. In all my experiment videos, there is updates, so we are now 2 weeks later, and let's check out the results so far. Right off the bat, I can see the clear jar already has roots, so let's see what the dark jar is looking like. It looks like they both have pretty good root growth, but let's look closer and see if there's any real differences between the dark and the light jars. As I scan over them and I look at them from afar, I can't really see any big differences. It does look like the darker one has lighter colored roots, but I think that's just more of like an algae thing, or algae, whatever you want to call it, and they grow more on the one with light. But let's take a closer look and really see if there's any difference. Now that we're looking a little closer, I am starting to see quite a big difference. If you look at the dark ones, there is new growth, but it's a little smaller actually, and it's quite pale. Because it's not getting light, it's not producing a lot of chlorophyll, and so they're definitely being hindered by the darkness. Looking at the ones that have been in the light, the new growth is much greener and actually quite a bit bigger. Let's take a look at the biggest roots though and really compare the two. So I took the longest root from each pile, and you can see on the left we have the dark and on the right we have the light, and it looks like the light one is actually winning as far as root growth. And on a whole, as far as the piles are concerned, the light pile has slightly more root growth than the one in the dark. Again, the big difference is going to be the new growth coming in. So this is an interesting experiment, because if you're going to try and propagate in the dark, you're going to completely hinder the new growth, and you're not really getting any good root growth compared to light. So we're seeing some interesting things so far. Let's let this experiment sit another week or so and check in and see where we're at. Alright, about a week and a half have gone by, and you can see the root growth has really exploded just from the outside shot. You can see right in that clear jar. So let's get the other one unwrapped and compare the two. Right off the bat, just from ripping them out, they do look pretty similar. We should take a closer look and find out. However, I just wanted to show you the 2 jars of water just to really show you that the evaporation has been about the same. When I put the plastic over the top of the other one, it really did keep the airflow out and kept it really close to what was happening inside the foil wrapped one, so we can definitely eliminate airflow as being any part of the factor. Panning over both the dark and the dark being on the right and the light being on the left, the only real difference I can see from far away is going to be lighter colored roots on the darker one and much more growth on the lighter one, as far as the plantlets are concerned. Looking closer at the ones that have been growing in the clear jar with all the light, the new growth is insane. Almost every single one has a new leaf starting to unfurl, and the roots are quite big as well. There's even some nodes with multiple roots coming out, so they have actually done fantastic. Let's go take a look at the dark ones. The dark ones have pretty decent roots as well. However, looking at the new growth, it's quite pathetic. It's actually really pale with barely any new leaf growing, and they're very small in comparison to the one in the bright jar. Let's get a little more exact here. I've taken the 2 longest roots from the dark jar, and let's actually measure it and find out what we're looking at for root length, and then we can compare that to the one in the light jar. So the longest one ends up being almost 4.5. It probably is 4.5 if I pulled it straight, but I don't want to damage it. The second one is only about 3.5, and those again are the two longest ones. Now let's take a close look at the light ones. Right off the bat, you can see the growths have actually been just absolutely insane. It is so much further ahead than the one grown in darkness, and the new leaves are really close to unfurling, and I'm just super excited to see these results so far. The roots look awfully long, and one of them has a ton of new root growth, so let's take them and measure them as well. Our longest one is off the charts. Just kidding. It looks like we're a little over 5 inches, so it's definitely longer than the longest one in the dark jar. And then the second root, we're looking at almost 4 inches, which again is longer than the second longest one in the dark jar, and there are many other longer ones from the light jar than the dark jar, but I'm not going to measure them all. I do want to know if this has any long-term effect on these plants, so I am going to pot them up, and we can check on them in maybe a month or two and just see how they've been growing and see if in the long run any of this really matters. But in the short term, about a month, it really makes a huge difference to keep them in the light. I definitely would not recommend putting things in the darkness. It doesn't do anything but hinder things. It doesn't make the root growth any better. So whenever people tell me that in the comments, I can just refer to them to this video for now. And maybe I missed something, but I'm pretty darn sure by these results that light is always better for your plants, and you shouldn't be trying to propagate in the dark.
Well guys, that pretty much sums up this experiment. I hope you enjoyed it. The results were pretty obvious. I'm definitely never going to put my roots in the darkness. I know they don't need it at this point besides being a little cleaner. That's about all you get out of it, but you get much more growth if you have lights on from the time of propagation till the time you take them out of their cup or wherever else you put them. So definitely don't shy away from the light. It's going to be a good thing for your plants. I hope you guys like these experiments, and as always, may your plants grow strong and healthy. I'll see you next time.